Let's go for the question number 4. So what is the question number 4? If sum of the n terms of the AP is 4n minus n square, what is A? A means I given notation. So instead of write, what is the first term? First term means sum of the one term can be given as the first term only. If there is one term, what is the sum of the one term means? Individually, that's the first term only. That means only one term is there. So that's something like meaningless also sometimes. So what is S2? That means sum of the first two terms. What is second term? Similarly find third, 10th and nth. First write the data carefully. So Sn they have given as 4n minus n square, and what they are asked, so first sum of the one term or S1, that is S1 is equal to A. What is the first term they have asked, and sum of the two terms S2 they have asked, and second term they have asked, and similarly third A3 they have asked, 10th and nth term. So 10th is nothing but A10 they have asked, and nth term an also they have asked. So before that, if you know A and D values, we can do all these things directly. So try to get the sequence, that means try to get the progression one. So before going to this, so I am writing a sequence here. For example, I am calculating the wages of weights of 2 persons. So one hint I can give you. So the first person weight is some 30 kgs. The sum of the two persons weight is 70. Sum of the two persons weight is the 70. That means first person weight is some 30 they have given. Let us take as A. So here sum of the two persons weight is 70. That means what about the second person weight? Obviously that is 40. How you will get this total minus 30? If you subtract, you will get this. So it's the same logic I am going to use here. So look at here carefully. S1, sum of the one term means first term, 4 into 1 minus 1 square, 4 minus 1, that is 3. That is A is going, this can be taken as A also. S2, sum of the two terms is what? 4 into 2, wherever n, so actually Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. Here I put 1. Now put 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 8 minus 4 is what here? 4. Look at here carefully, all of you. Sum of the one terms is 3, sum of the two terms is 4. So that means, so first term is 3. So here I don't know what is the term. Let us take the term is 2. Sum of the two terms is 4. They are telling x plus 3 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. So this will become term number 2. So here let second term be x. First term is what? A, 3 comma x. So given sum of two terms is equal to 4. So take the sum of two terms as 4. So you will get the second term as 1. So look at here carefully. So this is what they are telling. This is in AP only. Now first term A is 3, and the second term or let us take this as some A1 better. Second term A2 is what here? 1. So what is the common difference now? What is the difference here? So difference is going to be A2 minus A1, that will be 1 minus 3 minus 2. Need not to find the, so we can find the third term from here now. So why I am taking this as a common difference only? Obviously they told this is AP only. So now what they asked there? So Sn, so first term we find, so sum of the two terms also we find here, and A2 we have to find. So A2 is equal to what? A plus D. So A is what here? 3 plus of A2 already we got. So plus of minus 2, again this will become redundant. Plus into minus 3 minus 2 is 1. A2 we got already. See here. A2 is what? 1. Next what we have to find? A3. Third term is going to be what? A3 is equal to A plus 2D. That will be A is what? 3 plus 2 into D is what here? Minus 2. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is what? Minus 1. We got A3 also. Again what we have to find? 10th term. That is A10. A10 is equal to A plus 9D. The value of A is going to be 3. Plus value of D is going to be minus 2. So 3 minus 18. 3 minus 18 is what? Opposite sign subtraction, that is minus 15. We got D also. So we got 10th term also. So almost all the terms we are finding, and the last term is going to be nth term. Don't be confused. Whenever they ask the nth term, obviously output sum is going to be in n only. So sometimes there would not be n also, some constant also. Why? For example, 3 comma 3 comma 3 comma so on is a series. What is the nth term of this one? 3 only. Whatever the term it might be, that is 3 only. So here nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. What is the first term from here now? First term is going to be 3 n minus 1 into difference is going to be what? Minus 2 is the difference here. Minus 2, you will get 3 plus into minus 2 into n minus 1. For your comfort I written 3 minus 2n minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 2n. Look at here, difference is minus 2. Just now I told. See the same difference we got here. This is how we are going to find. Nothing. Whenever Sn is given, sum of the n terms is given. If you want to find sum of the first term, put 1 here. 2 term, put 2. 3 term, put 3. Sum of the, not the term there. So after getting that, make use of this logic. So obviously, once again I am telling, sum of the one, that is only sum of the one term is only first term. First term is 3. Sum of the two terms means was first and second. So first and second is 4. So if you want to get the second term, subtract first, otherwise 4 minus 3 1, directly you will get this value. So this is the way how we are going to find. So once if you get the first term and the second term, then you can get the common difference. So with the help of the principles, we can find any type of the question based on this.